Free flight ticket, FMG passing rate of 80.33%, free access to premium training program. Hello everyone, this is Aniket Bagla, finally MBBS student, and welcome to second episode of MBBS Abroad series. In this video, we will discuss about the college that has the highest passing FMG rate of 80.33%. And the name of the college is, yes, Georgian American University. Georgian American University, or GAU, is located in the capital city of Georgia, Tbilisi. Established in 2001, the university is globally recognized by WHO, FAIMR and NMC, making it safe and trusted choice for Indian students. Georgian American University offers renovated classes with centralized AC and heaters, medical simulators, well-equipped labs and anatomy tables. यानी पूरा रियल टाइम लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा. But here's where GAU stands out from the crowd. From second year itself, students start clinical practice in the university hospitals and affiliated centers, just like that in India, getting exposure to real patients early in their medical journey. Now let's talk about Prosium, and I swear this is the best thing you don't want to miss out. So, what is Prosium? This is a premium training program absolutely free for the students of Georgian American University. It helps students to prepare for competitive exams like USMLE, PLAB, FMG, NEXT, alongside their regular MBBS curriculum. प्रोशियम इतना इजी टू यूज़ टूल है, इसको जब मर्जी चाहो मैं यूज़ कर सकता हूँ. इसमें हर सब्जेक्ट के वीडियो लेक्चर्स, नोट्स, MCQ प्रैक्टिस सब कुछ मिलेगा. ये सीरियसली गेम बूस्टर टूल है तुम्हारी FMG और USMLE की प्रिपरेशन के लिए. ऑल्सो जॉर्जियन अमेरिकन यूनिवर्सिटी हैड द हाईएस्ट पासिंग FMG रेट ऑफ 80.33% in 2024, which speaks volume about its academic quality and preparation. Now let's talk about some FAQs related to Georgian American University. First question, what is the medium of instruction? English is the medium of instruction for all 6 years. Second question, does Georgian American University have a separate girls hostel? Yes, Georgian American University provides separate hostel for girls. Third question, does the university provide Indian food? Yes, the Indian food is available at the Indian mess at the hostel with both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. Fourth question, what is the duration of the MBBS program at Georgian American University? The MBBS program spans 6 years, which include 1 year of internship. Last and सबसे important question, tuition fees कितनी है? Tuition fees per semester 2 lakh rupees है, and total expense of hostel plus food is 2 lakhs per year. So if you are an MBBS aspirant looking for high FMG result, early clinical exposure, premium coaching access, affordable yet quality education, then Georgian American University is the place for you. As usual, यहाँ तक आए होते गिफ्ट तो बनता ही है. Go to the link in the description or comment section. Do fill the form to get a special admission offer, including your free flight ticket, Prosium login, and zero consultancy charges. All thanks to Select Your University, which is India's leading agency with over 14 years of experience in settling students abroad. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Do fill the form in the description or the comment section. This was episode 2 of MBBS Abroad series. मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में एक और कॉलेज के साथ. Till then, study smart, dream big.